What's in the box? What's in the box? What's up, all my homies, do's and dudettes? Got another box in the mail, or not in the mail, but I got it delivered. So let's check this out. See what it is. You already know what it is, but I don't know. So let's check it out. All right, folks, let's check this out. See what's in the box. I can't remember. I slightly remember ordering something, but I don't. I don't know. So you guys probably already know what it is because it's probably in the thumbnail. I don't know. So it's a surprise to me. And of course, you guys are not going to give me a hint, right? But let's see. Okay, paper. Oh, okay. This is Whiskey Intense. Well, you guys already know, but this Whiskey Intense, I think it's from Fragrance World. I saw someone talking about this and I saw it. It was not too expensive. So I was like, let me go check it out. So, all right. Hopefully it's not a fake. So jump right in. Oh man, that top looked like it was not sealed too tightly, but we're gonna go in with a positive attitude. Let's see. All right, so the box, the fragrance is shaking around in there, so it's not sturdy. So this is a EDP concentration, and there's the name Whiskey Intense right there on the side. There's a little holographic stamp there on the back. We got some written information on the other side. Oh, and there's another holographic stamp. And then on the other side is nothing. On the top is just the Fragrance World, the stamp that looks like a turtle, and then the bottom is the QR code. So let's jump right into it and see what we're working with. Okay. All right. Ooh. I can smell it in the bottle. Does that look pre-sprayed to you guys? But the box smells pretty good. It smells kind of like a leather, almost like a leather coat. But anyway, let's jump into it and get a spray, see what it smells like. Oh, look at the bottle. Pretty nice looking bottle. It has that whole Killian angel share kind of vibe to it. It's a glass bottle, but it looked like it's cracked, the design of it. And the top is plastic. It's kind of sturdy. Yeah, the top holds onto it. You can pick it up by the top. I'm not sure how sturdy that will be, but you can. Okay, it didn't spray initially. Okay, this is kind of sweet. It's like a sweet leather. Or is it leather or whiskey? Like it smells like, it does smell like a leather in the background. It kind of gives me the vibe of like what's that Tom Ford? Actually, I think this is supposed to be a clone of something. It kind of gives me a vibe of like a Tuscan leather mixed with tobacco vanille. It kind of gives me that vibe, but it smells good. I like it. Smells good. I'm gonna go. I don't have anything on my skin. Let's go ahead and try it on the skin. See what it feels like on the skin. The spray is pretty nice, also. Okay. A little bit of alcohol on the top. Went in a little bit too early, but Yeah, it smells like leather, but it smells. I can smell the barrel, the maybe like a whiskey barrel, but it smells like a fruit that's in it too, like um like some kind of weird fruit, like almost like a mango maybe, or some kind of exotic fruit. It's not. It doesn't smell like a, a citrus fruit. It smells like something that has like a texture, that has like a thickness to it, and a fruit with the whiskey. Let's check the notes. I'm doing all this talking. All right, hold on a second. I'll get the notes. All right, I'm back in. Man, I just tried to record the follow up, and it was messed up. Anyway, so I'm doing it again. So these are somewhat live reactions. So what I was saying is the fragrance. It is supposed to be a clone by Killian. It's called Old Fashioned. I'm not sure if how close it is to it because I've never smelled that fragrance before, and I think it's a fragrance that's discontinued also. But the scent that I'm getting from this now, it smells almost a little juvenile. It smells almost like like a like something that kids would be playing with, not Play-Doh, but it smells like something like a toy, or some kind of plastic toy. It still smells pretty good, but it doesn't smell as sophisticated as it smelled in the opening. The opening smelled like it was a little upscale. It smelled like it was kind of like something that you would dress up. This is starting to smell like something that you would probably wear casually, like, you know, just hanging out with your boys or something like that, not necessarily going out to a formal dinner or something like that. So jumping into the notes, on the notes for Whiskey Intense, there's the bottle. The top notes are bourbon whiskey and orange blossom. The middle notes are aldehyde, incense, and peppers. The base notes are brown sugar, leather, and wood. So it does have leather in it. So I was picking up on that leather. It smells, you can smell it really good in the opening. Right now it's faded into the background. You can smell, it smells like it smells like this combination of notes. They're flipped upside down. Like I smelled the brown sugar. The brown sugar is probably what I was smelling when I was smelling the fruit, and I said it smelled kind of like a thick kind of fruit. I think it was brown sugar that I was picking up, and I was picking up the leather. Right now, it's starting to smell more like a barrel whiskey kind of vibe, but it has a little playfulness to it. It doesn't smell like a straight whiskey. It smells like something after you've drunk it, or something that's sitting around. But anyway, so like I said, it smells like the notes are flipped upside down. Like the base notes I smelled those first, and now I'm smelling the top notes. But anyway, I'm just running through this, and I came in and I saw it. I thought it was a fragrance. That's why this video you get to see it, because if it wasn't a fragrance, I probably wouldn't have posted the video. There we go. Whiskey Intense, good fragrance. It was pretty cheap. If you see it online, I wouldn't pay more than $30 for it, but I think I got it for maybe about $16, $15, something like that. So for that price, it's a good price. It's a good fragrance. Yes, and there's the leather. I kind of like the opening better than this dry down. We'll see though. I'll give it a good wear. I probably won't wear it anytime soon because right now it's sunny and it's summer, and it's a little bit too warm to wear this. A little bit, unless it's the evening. I probably could wear it in the evening. I'm talking too much. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. Going on this what's in the box with Whiskey Intense. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.